she's going to get business, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get something out of it. That's kind of my question was: do you ever take a gamble on small independent agents who just have a little bit of their...
Yeah, I mean there are boutique agencies. I'm sure you tend to buy, but they're usually it's usually middle-aged, and she's got a very bespoke sort of list and really dedicated to that list. And some really big actors.